two beside me. Just hanging out. The West Pier in the distance. And I've got a couple of others sitting right next to me. Hello, all you lot. Yeah. Everywhere. Anyway, back to the sea. And Brighton Pier. 4 minutes 46 on this. Yeah, you're just chilling, you are. Chilling. Bubba. Something behind me. What have I got behind me? Pigeon. No. On the lookout. It was going down my bag, man. I might have something in there. Oh no, we got another one. Oh no. Birds everywhere. Birds. Good afternoon, birds. Oh, and now what we got? Hello, you. Angles. Pigeons. Let's just chill on the beach. Brighton Beach. Chill out time. Angles of everything. I guess that's your cups, your glasses, is that your drinks? Right, let me get up a minute, everyone. Sorry about this. Angle. We've got a landing. Do a 3D before it goes off. There's a i360. And then all the way around to there. Right, footage of the sea and out of here.